POV. You always forget their names.
Aizen.
So you try to remember them according to their voice.
Aki.
Happy birthday, Sir Ayan.
Again.
Happy birthday, Sir Ayan.
Oh my God. Angel.
No!
Sloby.
No!
Again.
Happy birthday, Sir Ayan.
Matthew.
No!
That's why I'm really bad at names. One more. Don't.
One more.
One more.
Happy birthday, Sir Ayan.
Don't change your voice. I know you change your voice. One more. Don't change your voice. Deborah. Okay, next. Very easy, Isha. This one. Sloby. Okay, next. One more. Celia. Okay, next. One more. Audrey. Next. One. Hannah. Next. Isa pa. Caitlin. Next. Angel. Saan kayo? Kayo, dito naman. Scott, dito na Scott. Saan kayo? One more. Okay, CJ. Yay! Happy birthday. One more. Lucas. Okay. There's more? Okay. Last.
Happy birthday!
Alright, Yuki. That's it. Isa to. Oh,